Global Blend in its convenient portable form zip sticks combine nutrient-dense superfruits with primary antioxidant precursors, herbal adaptogens, and the powerful anti-inflammatories aloe and xanthones. This potent combination provides complete free radical support that enhances the effectiveness of the blend. Dangerous free radicals are present in our bodies and have been linked to everything from premature aging to cancer. Global Blend and Zip Sticks provide complete support in the fight against free radicals by combining proprietary blends of antioxidants like green tea and acai, primary antioxidant precursors, and adaptogens that combat stress and hormonal imbalances. One of the most common side effects of excess free radicals is an increase in illnesses. The highly effective antioxidant support in Global Blend and Zip Sticks provides the body with the nutrients it needs to maintain a healthy immune system. Cysteine serves as a precursor to the amino acid glutathione, which is often considered the body's master antioxidant. Glutathione has a profound impact on brain health as well as aiding in the detoxification of the liver. Aloe is an all-star natural ingredient that serves as a potent anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal, all while improving digestion and nutrient absorption. Aloe also acts as a gentle colon cleanser. Xanthones come from the rind of the mangosteen fruit. They are powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that have been shown to improve intestinal health and eliminate free radicals. Global Blend and Zip Sticks provide complete antioxidant support and total cellular protection from damaging free radicals.